I've been using 6-string binders for a few years now, and I've come to really enjoy them, and there are so many reasons why I love them. Starting with how aesthetic 6-string binders are. So one of the many reasons my 6-string binder collection is so large is because they're so pretty. They have such cute covers, such as the hollow cover or even the classic glitter cover. There's such a nice variety in how each binder looks, which makes me happy to see them and journal in them. I also love that you can customize them with different binder refills and cover inserts. So for example, you can buy cover inserts from a shop like Mochi Things, or you can DIY your own binder refills, and you can also use keychains either on the outside or clipped inside of your 6-string binder to accessorize it. Plus you get to use the cutest deco stickers in stationery. Okay, so most of you guys know I love deco stickers, and it's one of my favorite parts about decorating my 6-string binder, and being able to use them for journal spreads just adds another layer of sparkle, color, and creativity that you just can't get without them. And a lot of my spreads feature stickers, and not just to deco, but also for the titles as well, which makes the journaling process so much easier for me. And similar to this is that you can get creative with the layouts and what you add to your journal spreads. Okay, so I know that this can happen in any journal or notebook, but for me, the finished look of my journal spreads and my 6-string binders makes me so happy. I love the look of the binder cover and binder rings with the spread as well. Also, the freedom in writing what I want, whether it's about my feelings, a life update, or even just creating a spread on my love for cinnamon roll. I love that I can literally write whatever and decorate however I want in my 6-string binders. I also love that I can take out my binder refills to write evenly on the pages. Okay, so one of the most annoying things when using a spiral notebook is how I can never write evenly on both sides of the paper because the rings get in the way. But with the 6-string binder, I can take my paper out and lay them flat on the surface, which makes all the difference for me, as it allows me to use as much space on each side of the refill as I can. And similar to this point is that I can actually take refills out when my binder gets too full. So I already have a video on this that shows if my 6-string binder is too full or I want to change out my refills. All I have to do is literally take them out and add in the refills I want to use. So easy, y'all, such a piece of cake. So this is great if you want to change out how you use your 6-string binder, let's say from journaling to planning, or even just giving your binder a fresh look, which leads to the point that you can always add in refills when needed, which helps to keep your 6-string binder longer, since 6-string binders aren't typically a one-time use unless you want to use them specifically for one reason only, and once it's already full, you don't want to take out or change your refills. I also love that ring binders are so useful for so many different things. So not only can you use 6-string binders for journaling, but you can also use them for different things like sticker storage, planning, doing a brain dump, scrapbooking, and I've even had people tell me that they use their 6-string binder for D&D. So literally the possibilities are endless when it comes to using a 6-string binder. So I really hope that some of these reasons either helped you in your journaling journey, or it's gonna help you to start a 6-string binder for yourself. So be sure to let me know down in the comments below which reason really inspired you when it comes to 6-string binders, or why you love 6-string binders already. And if you guys wanna see my 6-string binder collection, be sure to check out my video pinned in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one, kittens. Adios.